और खबर रायपुर से, जहां 2 दिवसीय रीजनल कॉन्फ्रेंस की शुरुआत हुई है। देश भर के 150 प्रतिनिधि शामिल होंगे। छत्तीसगढ़ के सभी आईएएस अफसर इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में शामिल होंगे और मुख्य सचिव कार्यक्रम को संबोधित करेंगे। मुख्यमंत्री विष्णुदेव साय इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में शामिल होंगे। 2 दिवसीय रीजनल कॉन्फ्रेंस है ये। देश भर के करीब 150 प्रतिनिधि इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में शामिल होंगे।
रायपुर एक न्यू ग्रोथ स्टोरी लिखेगा, इंडिया की ग्रोथ जर्नी का बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूटर होगा और इसको भी आप देखें, इसका भी एक्सपोजर लें। मैं आप सब लोगों को उसके लिए भी इनवाइट करता हूं। और $3 ट्रिलियन से $55 ट्रिलियन की इकोनॉमिक जर्नी में ब्यूरोक्रेसी को फाइनेंशियली थोड़ा ज्यादा मिले ताकि नीड बेस्ड करप्शन जैसे सिचुएशन को देश में खत्म किया जा सके। इस विचार के साथ मैं अपनी बात को समाप्त करता हूं। आप सबको पुनः स्वागत, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, O.P. Chaudhary sir, for your insightful words. And there is no denial that soon Raipur will be the face of growth. So now let's proceed further. Finally, for the vote of thanks of this inaugural session, I would like to call upon Shri Tushaba Shinde sir here on the stage. Have a huge round of applause.
Respected Shri O.P. Chaudhary ji, Honorable Finance Minister, Government of Chhattisgarh, Respected Shri Amitabh Jain ji, Chief Secretary, Government of Chhattisgarh, Shri Puneet Yadav ji, Additional Secretary, DRP ji, Shri S.N. Tripathi ji, Director General IIPA, distinguished dignitaries from the all state governments, distinguished dignitaries from the Government of Chhattisgarh, distinguished senior officials, delegates, representatives of media, and ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks at the inaugural session of Regional Conference at Raipur. As a city that truly embodies the spirit of resilience and progress, known as a soul beneath the steel, Raipur is a home to over 200 steel mills, positioning it is one of India's largest steel markets. In addition, it holds the distinction of being the rice bowl of India, nurturing an abundance of rice varieties that sustain millions across the country. I would like to thank Shri O.P. Chaudhary ji, Honorable Finance Minister, Government of Chhattisgarh, for his presence from his busy schedule and giving his valuable insight for the regional conference. I would also like to mention that Honorable Finance Minister, sir, is PM awardee for the PM Awards 2011-12. It shows his commitment during his tenure as an IS in the Chhattisgarh. I would also like to mention one thing, sir. When you selected that time, you are a youngest officer in Chhattisgarh, and when you are a minister in the Shri Vasudev Sai Ministry, he is the youngest minister. I thank our Honorable Minister of State, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, for directing us to convene the regional conference at Raipur. On your direction, the team of senior officials of the DRPG worked tirelessly with the senior officials of the government of Chhattisgarh to make the magnificent event possible. I would also like to thank Shri Amitabh Jain ji, Chief Secretary of Government of Chhattisgarh, for being with us today and also for his continuous support in our all initiatives and endeavors. I take this opportunity to thank our Shri Srinivas ji, to Government of India, the Department of Administrative Reform and Public Grievance. Secretary sir has been the guiding force behind this event. In fact, his consistent encouragement has made us to better do our efforts. I would also like to express gratitude to all dignitaries here. Special thanks to all speakers who have traveled from far and near to participants in his conference. Make it rich in content, extensive in experience. I hope that every one of us here would gain from the deliberation in the conference.